Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Trinidad and Tobago? Let's explore. Construction work is widespread in Trinidad and Tobago, supporting infrastructure and development. The average annual gross salary is around $12,000, which is about $1,000 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is about $10,400 or around $870 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In large cities like Port of Spain and San Fernando, salaries are usually higher. In rural areas, wages tend to be lower. Experience matters too. New workers may earn about $8,000 per year, while experienced workers can make up to $15,000 or more. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.